Hey everyone. So, if Tinfoil suddenly stopped working after an update, that happens more often than you'd think. Usually it's caused by version conflicts, cached data, or missing files. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get Tinfoil running again. Alright, first, fully restart your Nintendo Switch. Not sleep mode, an actual reboot. Updates sometimes leave temporary files running, and restarting clears those conflicts. After restarting, try opening Tinfoil again. Sometimes the update just needs a clean system start to work properly. If it still doesn't open, you may be running an incompatible version. Download the latest Tinfoil release and replace the existing files on your SD card before launching again. Next, remove old cache data. Open the SD card using your computer, locate the Tinfoil folder, and delete temporary cache files. Don't worry, this won't remove installed games. Incorrect system time can also prevent Tinfoil from launching after updates. Go into System Settings, open date and time, and enable automatic synchronization through the internet. Now, confirm your internet connection is working properly. Tinfoil may fail to load if it can't connect during startup. If nothing works yet, reinstalling Tinfoil usually fixes update-related errors. Delete the old application files. Copy the newest version to your SD card. Then launch it again. Once done, open Tinfoil and give it a few seconds to load completely. The app should now start normally without crashes or errors. And that's it. A simple fix if Tinfoil stops working after an update. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and checking the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.